1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Coming! We play hide and seek in English, learners. Where are you, Kay and Deke? Where are they, learners? Where are you, Rose? Where is she, learners? The desk. Are you here? The door. Are you there? Here we are, Mr. Ben. Children. I can hear them, but I can't see them. Oh, of course, the bookcase. Here we are. Hello, Mr. Ben. Hello, Mr. Ben. Hello, children. There you are. Where is Rose? Oh, hello. What's your name? My name is Young. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. We are here, but where is Rose? The cupboard. She's in the cupboard. Hello, Rose. How are you? I am fine, thank you. It's dark in the cupboard. Now I can see.